These first two presenters are both multiple Grammy winners. They're both from England, and they are both cooler than any of my friends, I got to tell you that. Please welcome two of music's truly unique performers, Annie Lennox and George Michael.
Good evening.
Good evening.
The first Grammy of the evening is the Song of the Year.
What makes this award different from other Grammys is that it honors the craft of songwriting.
So, if you happen to see a performer up here when we announce the winner, it means he's being honored for writing the song, not for recording it. The nominees for the Song of the Year are David Bearwall, Bill Bottrell, Wynn Cooper, Sheryl Crow, Kevin Gilbert, songwriters for All I Want to Do. Elton John and Tim Rice, songwriters for Can You Feel the Love Tonight, recorded by Elton John. And The Circle of Life, recorded by Elton John and also by Carmen Twilley.
Gary Baker and Frank J. Myers, songwriters for I Swear by All for One and also by John Michael Montgomery. Bruce Springsteen, songwriter for Streets of Philadelphia by Bruce Springsteen.
And the Song of the Year is Bruce Springsteen!
Thank you. Gotta hold this thing. Thanks. A few notes. I'd like to thank all those disparaged and mysterious Grammy voters out there, wherever you are, and whoever you are. Jonathan Demme, John Landau, my partner and my good friend, Mickey Shuloff, Tom Mottola, Donnie Einer, everybody over at Sony Records, who's been my artistic home for 22 years and been very, very good to me. And this is embarrassing enough, all right? My family, Patty, Ed, Jess, Sam, my mom who's here tonight, top of the world, Ma. My dad at home, love you, Dad. My fans, whose passion and support has given great meaning to the work I've done. And the folks who've come up to me in restaurants and on the street who've lost their sons or their lovers or their friends to AIDS and said that this song meant something to them. Thank you very much.
Here are two women who, as songwriters and performers, have made an indelible impact on the music scene. Please welcome Carly Simon and Tori Amos.
This is really living. The nominations for Best Male Rock Vocal Performance are
Loser, Beck. Red Rain, Peter Gabriel. In the Garden, You Send Me Allegheny, Van Morrison.
When I saw you standing, you was better, I couldn't tell what I felt.
Streets of Philadelphia, Bruce Springsteen.
Unrecognizable to myself. City of brotherly
Philadelphia, Neil Young.
place I call home.
In ceremonies held technically.
Hi, everyone. Welcome to our special coverage of the 37th Annual Grammy Awards. We're at the Shrine Auditorium in downtown Los Angeles, where the curtain has just come down on one of the biggest nights of the year for the music business. You know, dozens of hot talent are waiting and vying for the Grammy Awards. Tonight really belonged to Bruce Springsteen. Mark Shearer takes a look at all the winners.
Ain't no angel gonna
The Grammy Awards telecast opened with The Streets of Philadelphia, Bruce Springsteen's Academy Award-winning song from the movie Philadelphia. The first-person account of an AIDS victim won Springsteen's Song of the Year honors, along with 3 other Grammys.
The idea is, when you write a song like that, is all music and art is about communication, about trying to get the audience to walk a mile in someone else's shoes and see what it feels like.
Grammy voters...
It was for a very good cause. The stars were singing to save the rainforest. Fans paid as much as $1,250 a ticket to rock along with them. Our Jim Dolan was there.
Even on a clear night, you can't see this many stars in the sky above Manhattan. For that, you have to come to Carnegie Hall. Star-studded doesn't go far enough. Neither does the word spectacle.
I found my thrill on Blueberry Hill.
The whole second half of the concert turned into an Elvis send-up that included Elton John and Sting
I'm all shook up
and Billy Joel. And even the boss himself.
Las Vegas with a neon flashing and your one-arm bandits crashing. All your hopes down the drain.
The benefit was in support of the Rainforest Foundation, which seeks to protect the Brazilian rainforest.
Frankly, I regard this evening as a show of strength. What brings us together is conviction.
Friends of the Rainforest rocked Carnegie Hall tonight and turned a cool, wet spring evening into a scorcher. Jim Dolan, Channel.
Jesse Norman, they were all there, and we'll share a couple of minutes of highlights right after this. Save the Rainforest concert at Carnegie Hall raised $1.3 million. It's impossible to say which mega artist was the biggest draw. We thought you might have liked to have been there, so here's a sample.
If you've got something that must be done, and it can only be done by one, there is nothing more to say.
A little pop from the rock stars. After the opening number by Elton John, Sting, and James Taylor, the artists each took solo turns on stage.
That girl that I love, baby, my heart beats so it scares me to death. See, touch my hand, what a chill I got. The kisses are like a volcano that's hot. I'm proud to say she's my buttercup. I'm in love. Ow, I'm all shook up.
In case you hadn't guessed, this year's concert had a 50s theme, heavy on the Elvis.
Take it off. Oh, make me feel this way. Oh, you love me. You know what I want to say. I don't be cruel to your heart is true.
Elton John made the evening's most spectacular entrance, shimmering under the lights in his gold lame and sequins. Go, Elton!
The moon sits still on Blueberry Hill.
New Jersey's favorite balladeer wasn't going to be outdone by Sting and Billy Joel. He took an Elvis turn of his own.
Is that someday you care? My hopes, my dreams come true. My one and only you.
No change of pace, opera diva Jesse Norman hit the comic high note of the evening. And of course, the traditional end to these all-star benefits, an altogether grand finale. Enjoy.